This model kit review is of the F-8F-1. This is the Bearcat, and this is a 1/48 scale model by Academy, and shows you the finished model there. Some different pictures. Don't see anything else on there. Let's have a look inside. So first of all, we see these decals, and looks like they're pretty good decals. We have some body parts here. Looks like we have two cowls. The engine. Let's have a look and see what that's about. And we have our looks like our tail, and then some rockets. Here's our cockpit. We have our radial engine in two parts, our instrument panel. Let's look and see what that part is for. Here's our fuselage with recessed panel lines. Not too much surface detail. Here's our stabilizer. And looks like our crankcase. Not really much detail on the cockpit area. Here's our canopy, nicely formed. Here are our wings, also some nice details, all recessed. This is a very well-made model, typical Academy quality. No flashing, no mold lines, lots of detail. The plastic's very nice, firm, and a very smooth surface. Nice wheel well details there. That's probably the wheel well that goes underneath there, I'm guessing. And we have our propeller, fuel tanks, and bombs, wheels, all fairly well molded. Let's have a look at our instructions here. So we start off with the cockpit engine that gets put into the fuselage. Then the wings are put together with the wheel well. That's then mounted to the fuselage with the engine and the stabilizer. The tail's put on, and engine cowl. Then the landing gear is put on. And next we have the canopy, fuel tanks, and weapons. And we have some options here. Looks like we have these painting and decal guide here. This is from the South Vietnamese Air Force, and then this is the US Navy. So all in all, it's a typical Academy quality kit. Some nice detail, and will be a good build.